Hello, my fellow Dirt Road travelers. We were just reached out to by Just In Case Rescue to go over his medical packs. And to be honest, I'm really excited about these. We're always out hitting the trail and we're always out with our little girls. And with kind of the events that happened today, medical packs are a really smart idea.
Absolutely.
So we have the two packs. We have the Elite and the Elite Mini. Both of these packs are going to be water resistant, which is super nice because the little one is set up more for like a hiking scenario and going out. I find this one to be really easy. You could even strap it on to like a stroller or whatever, you know, the mom and me.
Yeah, or mountain bike or anything like that.
This one is about 1 pound and this one is about 2 pounds. Both of them have a really nice design on these bags. They both come with a quick release system.
Yeah, let me show you that, guys. This is like my favorite feature for this whole bag. So if you guys have dealt with molly paneling before, you know that once you feed these through the molly panel and you snap them, getting the bag back off sometimes can be a nightmare. And that's where this comes in handy. You just have a snap right here, you unsnap that, and you grab the bag and you tear, and then this will stay attached to the molly panel, and you have the bag ready to go for your emergency.
And both bags are set up that way, so it's really pretty freaking cool. Now, I'm going to go over the mini one with you and some of the parts that are inside. Alright guys, so in this bag you're going to find the standard stuff that you're used to. You're going to find adhesive bandages, pads, gauze, and there's going to be some alcohol pads, antibiotic ointment, burn cream. What I found was really nice that it also had eye wash treatment. I have contacts and I get stuff in my eyes all the time. There's an emergency blanket, a CPR shield, and just a lot of abundance. There's a lot in this little pack. So he just really thought of everything in that bag. So like I said, the mini is more geared to people that are on the go, that are going to be packing this thing out and carrying it with them. It is a really nice general all bag. Now we're going to go through the Elite and tell you some of the things that are in here. So everything that's in the mini, you're basically going to find in the Elite. There are going to be some exceptions to that because this is a bigger pack. So of course you're going to have more gauze, more bandages, and things like that. Let me show you some of the things that I thought was really cool that he included extra. So the extra things that are in this bag that I find are pretty freaking cool. So you have the quick release strap. There's an extra strap in here on the top and it unzips. And it folds out into this nice 3-compartment bay. He included real scissors. I mean, when you get medical packs, they don't include things like this. And there are tweezers. There's an instruction manual in here for how to treat wounds and what to do in the emergency situations. I mean, this thing is just jammed packed with leaving you still room to include things that you might want extra. Like, you might be able to see on camera, there's a lot of bugs where we're at right now. So putting some maybe bug wipes in these. Nate and I, as we get older, we both suffer from upset stomachs. So we'd probably put some antacids in these bags as well. And
Also, Just In Case has tourniquets available that they sell. They're the cat tourniquets. And you can easily add one of those to any of these bags, which would be a good addition.
Some of his bigger bags do include them, but I'm just blown away by all the thought that he has put into these bags.
Yeah, you can definitely see the training that he has and it coming into play with how this would actually work in a real world emergency. And some of the bags you see, they have a lot of stuff that you really wouldn't need, so that's great.
Yeah, so if you have any questions for him, you can always reach out to him too on justincaserescue.com. He has a blog on there that you can get on there. I was kind of perusing on there, and he's got an entry for snake bites, what to do, There's also information on how to properly use a tourniquet. I also saw he has a class that you guys can go and take for quick stop for blood, what to do, how to stop a wound. And I mean, these are amazing. And he has been so kind to offer all our viewers 15% off if you put in Dirt Road Journey, all one word. Which, I mean, this is just really awesome. We're really stoked that he was able to offer that to you guys.
Yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with any of these kits.
Oh no. And on his website, if you get one of his kits, there are refill kits. So any of this stuff, if you use it up, you can get back on there and get more. If you have more medical knowledge, he has bags that are built for you to use, like with sutures and things like that. Maybe just a little bit more knowledge than like we have. So guys, thank you for sticking around and looking at this review. Go to his website, go check him out, justincaserescue.com. Again, thank you so much. And guys, we hope to do more of these reviews in the future. All right. Bye, guys.